Good evening, and it's great to have you with us here on a Tuesday night. And we begin tonight with this new chapter in this pandemic, one more step towards some sense of normalcy again in this country. President Biden and the CDC today relaxing guidelines for fully vaccinated Americans when it comes to wearing masks outdoors, saying those masks outside, for the most part, are no longer needed. The president removing his mask on the north lawn of the White House today, saying starting today, if you're fully vaccinated and you're outdoors and not in a big crowd, you no longer need to wear a mask. Health officials saying fully vaccinated adults don't need masks to walk, run, or bike outside, whether you're alone or with others. If fully vaccinated, you don't need masks in small outdoor gatherings with friends or family. The data showing the risk of transmitting COVID is much lower outdoors. And look at this tonight, the CDC's new chart showing when it's safe for fully vaccinated adults. And I know it's a lot to take in there, but look at the right-hand column. That's for vaccinated Americans outside. You can see the mask is off in just about every scenario, except right there at the very bottom right, the mask is back on. That's for big crowds and big events. On the left-hand side, that's for unvaccinated Americans. And you can see halfway down, as soon as you start talking about gatherings with vaccinated and unvaccinated friends, they say wear the mask. Tonight, here are the numbers. Nearly 140 million adults now receiving at least one dose of vaccine. That's more than 54% now. And President Biden today thanking Americans for getting us this far. And again, pointing to the 4th of July, calling it our target date to get life in America closer to normal and begin to celebrate our independence from the virus. ABC's Eva Pilgrim leading us off tonight.
Tonight, the country one step closer to normal with new mask guidelines for millions of Americans who are fully vaccinated.
Starting today, if you're fully vaccinated and you're outdoors, you need, and not in a big crowd, you no longer need to wear a mask.
In a new roadmap, the CDC giving vaccinated Americans the green light to exercise outside, attend small outdoor gatherings, even with unvaccinated people, dine outdoors with other households, all without a mask.
And the more people who are vaccinated, the more steps we can take towards spending time with people we love, doing the things we love to enjoy.
But for unvaccinated Americans, masks are still recommended if you're outside with other unvaccinated people or dining outdoors with other households. All Americans should wear masks at crowded outdoor concerts, parades, and sporting events, and masks are still recommended indoors unless everyone is vaccinated.
Although these vaccines are extremely effective, we know that the virus spreads very well indoors.
More than 96 million Americans are fully vaccinated, but demand for vaccines falling in recent days. President Biden making the case that getting vaccinated allows Americans to do more things safely.
For those who haven't gotten their vaccination yet, especially if you're younger or think you don't need it, this is another great reason to go get vaccinated now.
Even with today's new guidelines, the president asked why he walked out wearing a mask.
You chose to wear a mask as you walked out here. What message were you sending by wearing a mask outside alone?
By watching me take it off and not put it back on until I get inside.
Many across the country relieved to hear the news.
Feels good.
It'll be a lot more comfortable, especially with temperatures warming up, to be outside without a mask.
Just a little bit more towards normalcy. It'll be great.
Still, some choosing to keep their mask on.
I'm fully vaccinated, but I just think it's the right thing to do. Why take a chance?
And so let's bring in Eva Pilgrim back with us tonight. She's outdoors there in Brooklyn. So the guidance for outdoors, like the park that Eva's in, if you're fully vaccinated, you don't need to wear a mask. But I hope we're all patient with one another in the coming days as people get used to this new guidance, get used to their own comfort zone on this, as we heard in your piece there, Eva. But in the meantime, I know the CDC today also gave us some assurance for vaccinated Americans who want to get their hair cut, go work out, go shopping. They say still wear a mask, but they're fairly confident that all of that is safe.
That's right, David. The CDC has more data about the effectiveness of these vaccines, and they believe fully vaccinated people are safe going to indoor places like salons, gyms, and malls. But they want to underscore those people still need to wear masks when they're indoors. David?
All right, Eva Pilgrim leading us off again tonight. Eva, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.